My watch stopped. You probably know why it is stopped. So today what I'll do, I'll take that watch and make it like it will last forever. To do that, what I have to have is some sort of like solar battery powered something, which you can get it in dollar store in any solar panel light. I took one of them and just a cable just to connect that. How it works is like if you turn it on, when you actually don't have any power, it will light up. So I will make that connection, connect to watch so that we can have a continuous battery connection and at the same time it can charge. Here what I did, I opened that particular unit, which is a solar panel, and saw the battery, take off the battery and just take off the unit, like the circuit board from the housing, and then I placed that two wires, positive and negative, solder it down and put it back as it was, so that I have a separate solar power for the particular clock I have. I just tested it. What I did here, simply take out the battery line, use that same battery line, put it to the old battery which is actually not working, and just push it with those two wires and just connect it, and that's it, it's running. Now I'll just place it somewhere as it can stuck there and get the energy from the solar, and that's it. Now I'm just gonna adjust the timing because it's not right. The timing is 38. That's it. I'm gonna place it over there and see that how it works over the time. I'll definitely update you in long run how it goes. What I did here, you have to have the clearance space so that it doesn't have a connection with the wall, so that you don't actually knock it off. That's it. Now I have a clock which is continuously working with a solar power battery, taking the energy from the pot light and working forever.